Here you go, Jennifer. This is Trying to Reason with a hurricane season. It's pouring rain in Sacramento. So what better thing to do than sing some Jimmy Buffett with your guitar? Squalls out on the Gulf Stream, big storms coming soon. Passed out in my hammock, got I slept away past noon. I stood up and tried to focus, I hoped I wouldn't have to look far. I knew I could use a Bloody Mary, so I stumbled next door to the bar. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, then I can go on. But there's something about this Sunday, it's a most peculiar grade. Strolling down the avenue that's known as A1A. Feeling tired, then I got inspired. I knew that it wouldn't last long. So all alone I walked back home, sat on my beach and then I made up this song. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, and then I can go on. Well, the wind is blowing harder now, 50 knots or thereabouts. White caps on the ocean, I'm looking for water spouts. It's time to close the shutters, it's time to go inside. In a week I'll be in Gay Perry, that's a mighty long airplane ride. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, and then I can go on. Yes, it cleans